Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures, and we are in
Mardi Gras World in NOLA.
In NOLA, the Big Easy. So, basically what this place is, it's a lot of floats, costumes and stuff from Mardi Gras. So, we're here with some friends, so we're gonna film a little on the inside.
And eat our cake, our king cake.
They give us king cake when we start. Cool. It's awesome. So we got a little video to watch. I'm pretty sure that we cannot film that. But I think we can film inside, correct? Yep. Okay, so we can film inside of the floats and everything, so come along with us.
Bye.
See you guys then. Hey guys, so something we forgot to mention before we get into this is that you have to wear a mask now in New Orleans. And we're getting ready to go see all the floats and everything. And then we're gonna go eat lunch somewhere pretty cool also, so stick around for that. So here we go. so we have made it here to Central Grocery and Deli, and we're gonna go get us a muffaletta. I'm excited. And here it is. Ash and I split a muffaletta, so we're gonna see how this thing tastes. That's good. I don't even like olives.
Can you give me a napkin, please?
Here is a quick shot of the inside of Central Grocery from where we were sitting. This place is really cool on the inside. I highly recommend checking it out.
While down at the river in New Orleans, we visited Cafe de Monde, which was excellent. The beignets were wonderful. The coffee was okay, though.
Hey guys, so we didn't close yesterday's out until the next morning, and we are going to be off for a new adventure today. But we wanted to say, as you saw, we were at Central Grocery and had a muffaletta.
Yes.
They were amazing.
Yeah.
We went to Cafe du Monde, and she finally had her beignet, and they were delicious. The coffee was scalding hot, so like I had to wait. Gosh, I don't know how long for it to cool off for me to be able to drink it. But it was still good. But we checked into our Airbnb last night, moved everything in, and then just kind of went to sleep. So anyway, that being said, we are off for a different adventure today, which is going to be very exciting. But that's going to be a whole other vlog, so stick around for it. Okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that way you don't miss any of our adventures.
Right.
Okay? So anyway, that being said, we're off.
Until the next adventure.
Bye, guys.